rap, musik, my metronom. The rap is I don't love you like yesterday. Long time I listening to music. Finally, I watched Zakir lecture without subtitle, and I hear until finish. So I don't know what he is talking. But in conclusion, I know little he is spoke. The secondly, I want to explain about my secret in learning an English language.
Wow.
In my secret in English language, I do not speak English language word forever, but only sing song so my pronunciation very wrong, very
Very bad.
bad. This activity I do
Okay.
every day until I sleep. I play guitar until I sleep. My village usually talk Malay language. If I talk English language or Indonesia language, uh, they are really call me, talk to me, and that make me sad. Okay, the sad learn English language. We want to conclusion about my explanation. This we must we must do doubtless for pick up our dream. That's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh my gosh. Nuraini. This is Nuraini. Oh God. She looks good. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon.
My step to learn English. The first step is when I watch the movie, I will listen carefully and then I will listen carefully. Because if I only hear the movie, I can't get what the movie
Oh my god!
That's my step. I will learn English. Listen and watch. And then music English is I watch the movie and then I practice and then I follow how they are pronounced when they speak and read the book and everything. Then the important one that is the connection with the English language. And then the conclusion of my explanation is if you want to fluently in speaking English, you have to try. Don't be afraid. had to try anywhere, everywhere, anywhere and everywhere, and
Wherever.
had to try to speak by using English language.
Wow.
Getting caught, we can fix it, right? But if we don't speak, how we know if we getting caught on our speaking? That's all I think. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next. Is the next.
Smelling at me. Any
Hey Joe.
Turn.
my opinion, how to learn English. Myself to learn English is the first time I study English is in my school. And actually, I rather understand because I think myself in school not suitable with me.
Mm-hmm.
And honestly, I always usually I study English with listen to music and I look for the lyrics and the translation.
Where is your friend?
I try to understand the song. And I think this method is for
Remember?
and before in here I ever study English in one of English course in Korea. And with take a course, I think I can improve my English because all of you definitely know if all of English course in Korea anywhere anytime is this English. And I think behind study English in Korea, my English is better than before.
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you very much for this day, my program today. What is open
Secondly, I
today? What is that today?
learn my secret.
Pray together. Pray together.
Actually, I don't have secret to learn English because I just study English like the other people. I just listen to music or watch
Siap ya?
movie.
Ready?
I just study in school like
One by
the
one,
other
sit up
people.
here. If you
And
remember,
I
you
just
must
take a course in
speak.
Korea for 1 month. But I think pride, intention, and hard work is more important.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. Oh! I prepare my speech.
And
Go on.
Yeah.
The
I
first,
don't care.
I listen and I look into the lyrics and process, and I try to understand the
I never get it.
I take a course in Korea because
Hello.
with I
Could you please smile?
I can improve my English. Thank you.
Yeah, I guess this time.
Ooh. Alright.
Wait, right there. Oh my God.
Ayo buktinya mana?
Bude. Bude Arti.
Hafalan.
Here I want to share how I study English. My first step to study English is growing my liking to English language. You know, when you like something, you will attach to it and want to know about it more and more. So I think have a liking to English is important.
Mm-hmm.
Then my next step is I use what I like to study English, such manga or animation Japan or something like music to learning about English. By reading manga, I learn about vocabulary and its word meaning by pictures. Such when someone explain about yawning, I understand it by a picture someone yawning, so that I can improve my English because I understand it more when it from picture, not only word by word like from Kamus Indonesia to English.
Mm-hmm.
And
English to English.
my another step is never get tired to study more and more because improvising is important.
Wow.
So I began to read English literature, such novel and poetry, because I think just from manga not is not enough. So what I like, I use it so that I can to understand English more and more. So my secret is I use what I like to understand English. Everything I like is I think that is pardon me and thank you for listening.
Okay. Hoo, 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 hoo.
Hey guys, I want to share you about
Go stand up.
study English. That's my experience. Study English is fun for me. Because why? I think that English is important in all aspects in life. It's like a communication. Why I think that English is important for me? Because my dream in the future, I want to be a stewardess or flight attendant.
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, I must make my English speak fluently because I will meet many people. I communication with them and I sharing with them. Now I want to share you the first step I study English.
Mm.
When I read some article from newspaper, magazine, novel, or something like that. I listening Western music. I watching a movie and many more. And the second, I know the word or vocabulary that I don't know before and search in Google. And maybe I ask the person that I think he or she able to answer what I asked. And the third, I apply it in my daily activity, like memorize the vocabulary, talking with my mom maybe.
Thank you.
Uh,
Thank you. Yes. She's my daughter.
and the secret I help to I study English is my mother.
Oh yeah.
My mother first support me to learn more about English.
Teacher?
Sure, yes.
Yeah.
So since I was child until now, sometimes my mother asked me to have a conversation in English and talking something. Since it's not important until the big problem too.
Wow.
So the secret I can speak English is my mother's support, yeah.
Mm.
Other way, I study English. I take an English course, join a news anchor extracurricular in my school,
Mm-hmm.
join the debate,
Mm-hmm.
talking with foreigner,
Wow.
or something like that. I
Awesome.
think that's all of my
Outstanding.
experience in English. Thank you for your attention.
Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Risalah, risalah,
Bye
risalah.
bye.
Ini, enggak bisa. Rota Ayun. Ayun nah. Ayun. Ayo udah. Yang dituakan. Ayun. Udah.
Oh. Yang dituakan loh bahasanya.
Dituakan lah.
Diseniorkan gitu loh. Jangan dituakan. Diperhalus.
Tambalin.
Beda itu.
Ada catatan.
Enggak, ini enggak direkam. Pura-pura tok ini.
Ayo risalah dulu. Udah.
Cuci rekam, Star. Boleh diminum, Mbak.
Boleh.
Okay, guys. I just to share my experience.
Halo. Info pada channel.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my subscribe. Maraming salamat sa direkam. My tips how to learn English. The first, my step. I seek many inspiration from many search. It be like listening music. And I think speaking English is impressive, very impressive. You know impressive? And I look into my friend from English education major, and it's very impressive. I like him.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Yeah.
Kalau PD kan enak kan? PD depan kamera.
I like him. And
Yeah.
secondly, just practice the lyric of music that I listen.
What music?
Just practice. For that, my secret, I keep spirit to it and be curious all about English.
Wow.
Just keep spirit. Okay, guys, spirit. Yeah. And my one, I just practice it every time, everywhere, every day. Thank you for your attention. Oh my God, kita Raisa.
Raisa. Raiso tapi iso yo.
Ngomong nek Raisa encene gak iso.
Who is the next?
What's
What's
next?
next? What's next?
And the next Indonesian Idol. This is
Bismillah. Ayo. Indonesian Idol. This
From Klaten. Who is from Klaten?
Klaten. Oh yeah, I gotta move.
Klaten or Klaten?
Klaten.
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 No, Klaten, but Klaten.
Klaten.
No, Pati. Klaten.
Patek.
Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon. Oh.
Experience my way and maybe my tips how to learn English.
Mhm.
Yesterday I already explained part of my experience about English language, and today I will continue. Before it, I want to ask to all of you why it's so important to learn English. The first reason is we live in modern era where progress of technology, knowledge is so fast